Mr. Johnson, and here's my record. My record is about myself, having the most electronics. Voila, myself, Mr. Johnson, having the most electronics in Mr. Johnson's World Record Book. If you would like to show any of us your records, well, do so. And try beat Mr. Johnson's records and prove that you are better than him. Thank you for watching Mr. Johnson's records.